swimming world and fools! I am not Lego Spongy. Ha! It was just my small little disguise for the beginning of the episode, so you thought that it was just gonna be a normal Lego Spongy video, but no! I am actually Mr. Fridge. So this is another episode of Wolf's Wicked World SMP, but we're gonna do things a bit differently today. In this episode, I have a slave with me. Yes, I'm tired of feeding Wolf and everyone that goes by me. Yeah. So I am going to have people feed me instead. So I have a slave with me. Slave number one. Where are you? Slave number. Hello.
Hello.
So, while I eat this popcorn, tell me what you are doing here.
I thought that was supposed to be your slave, because you told me like 10 minutes ago.
Oh, yeah. Well, I am going to go over here and sit in this deck chair, and you are going to heed to my demands, okay?
Okay.
So my first command is you feed me instead of me feeding you guys.
Well, first of all, I don't even have any food. All I have is 8 eggs.
Give me food!
Okay, I'm gonna get you food.
Thank you! Just a nice bit of time to relax and eat my popcorn. This is gonna be a nice day to myself. Hopefully I'm going to be able to defeat Wolf in his next SMP episode. But I won't do that now. I'll save it for later. Let's just hope Lego Spongy doesn't come back and defeat me or anything. No, that'd be silly. No, yeah. Where is he? Where? Slave, where are you?
I'm hunting for food and I only have 1 health bar.
Well,
Because I'm so used to you feeding me all the time. Now I have to go hunt for my own food.
well, sorry. Well, a fridge has to eat as well. And besides, there's a load of chicken right in here. Well, there's 7.
Really? Yep. So you're saying is that I just walked all the way to the forest, and you're telling me that there was chicken in front of my face?
Yep. Haha, aren't I evil?
Well, right now I have no health bar and I'm about to die of starvation.
Oh, that doesn't sound good. It sounds good for me. Ha ha ha.
Well, okay. As promised.
And actually, I already had 17 carrots on me, so yeah. Pretty much wasted all your time.
And I shall kill myself.
Ha 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 ha. Yeah.
Come on, kill myself. I'm going to drown in water.
Okay then.
Because it's very refreshing.
I'm sure it is.
Wolf, please come and save me.
Sorry, but Wolf is not available right now.
Okay. So I heard since you already got any food, the food thing is already done. Do you have anything else I would like to give you to?
There's someone in the Skype chat. Maybe she can be my slave as well. Just sending this. I'll just add her to the call. Oh, um. Mm, um. Sorry. I'm just uh. I'm trying to get her to the. Trying to get her into the call. It's kind of difficult. Or at least onto
Here,
this. Or at least onto
have
this.
some raw chicken that I found on the floor.
Ooh, thank you. I'm just gonna run around. Just run around until so that I can eat it.
And also, let me give you a side of some rotten flesh.
Oh, sounds interesting.
Very tasty. I prepared it very
Oh,
special.
finally, I can eat this. I can eat this hopefully delicious raw chicken. You expect me to eat this garbage? I demand
here's
real
something
food.
a lot more better. It's called my specialty of rotten flesh. Served, ready fresh, cooked in a lot of ball of water.
Oh.
That
Are you trying to make me sick? Are you?
It took me 3 hours to make the wrong flesh.
Are you? Ha!
Well, fine. If you're too selfish to have any real food, I'll give you a raw egg instead. You know, eat baby chicks.
Fine. Right. Well, okay. So, just, give him a few minutes and he'll be here in a second. Man, this is boring. We should just build something. Let's just build something.
Okay,
Right?
Mr. Fridge. You say so.
I have the perfect idea for something we can build.
Yes. It will be, sir.
Just stand here. Stand here.
Okay.
Ha 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 ha. Oh my. Yes. Yes.
Dang it, I forgot to bring my pickaxe.
I have him wrapped around my little finger. Well, I don't have any fingers. That's just sad. How am I even holding this thing? But, yes, I have Spongie's little friend trapped. Ah ha ha! Ah ha ha! Ah ha ha! Ah ha ha! Stop right there! Huh? Okay. Oh no! Like Spongie's back. I gotta get into my disguise. Can't hide forever, Mr. Fridge. I know that's you. Oh, fine. You got me. Fine. Go ahead. Try and kill me. I'm sure you'll make the most of it. The most of what? No clue. Wait, what? Oh no, I didn't know it was easy. I didn't know it was that easy that you would break me apart like that. Haha! Yeah,
Well,
guys, that wasn't actually me in Wolf's last SMP video. That was actually Mr. Fridge in disguise as me. So yeah, I saw the video, the horse track race thing. It was Wolf's like horse track race tournament thing, or at least it was just one of the races. It was episode 19, and I was talking to someone. I was saying like you'll find out who I was talking to next episode, but that wasn't me. Yeah, so yeah, that was Mr. Fridge disguised as me. So hopefully he doesn't return in the next SMP episode, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, thank you all for watching this video. Thankfully I got rid of Mr. Fridge. Yeah, I knew he was evil. I predicted
very, 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 very evil.
Yeah, I did predict that, and thankfully it was true. So hopefully we don't have to deal with him anymore. So So yeah, thank you all for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. And until the next video, I will see you later. Bye. Oh wait. Oh wait a minute. You've been Mr. Mannyman. You were.
Yep. Yes.
There we go. You're free.
Thank you.
Sorry, I forgot about. I almost ended the video without freeing you. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. And until the next video, I will see you later. Bye. I will return. What was that? What was that? Did you hear that?
Oh, I heard that. All right.
Oh boy. Well, I guess we might as well have to record our review of the SMP episode or something. I don't know what to do. But bye. Say bye.
Bye bye.
We're doomed. Mr. Fridge is gonna kill us all. Goodbye.